Crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, day 7 of my 25 days of Christmas. And I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out of fingers to do that, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. I saw these in a lot of different forms. I originally saw it on Alicia English's channel, and she makes things out of wood, and she did this and then decoupaged something very simple. All it said was Santa's Magic Key. And then I went on to Pinterest to see what I could find there. And there's lots of different sayings that go along with this. And I thought that that was adorable. It's for children who don't have a chimney in their house and they don't know how Santa's going to get in. Well, they use a magic key, or he uses a magic key to get in. So this one, as you can see, says 'twas the night before Christmas, and we're excited as can be. We're leaving this out for you. It's a very special key. You can shimmy down the chimney or tiptoe through the door. Just use this magic key we left to find cookies, milk, and more. And there's lots of different ones, different sayings on it. This one is simple. This key is very special. You see, it won't work for you or me. Hang it just outside your door. Go to bed and worry no more. Close your eyes. Close them tight because Santa Claus is coming tonight. So I thought that that was adorable. All I did was print it out, put it on cardstock. Actually, I used chipboard from cereal boxes and things like that, and I just layered it and backed it with some Christmas paper. And I will hand these out to our little friends who don't have a chimney. Even if they do, this one is good for that. So there you go, a very simple little project that you can make up for little ones that you don't know what to do with, maybe a school project or Sunday school or something like that. Very, very cute. There you go, my 7th project for Christmas. I hope you're out there crafting because I'm going crazy. And I will see you soon tomorrow, as a matter of fact, with number 8.